Zdravo, ste se živi?
Ali pa vas je pobralo ob koncu sveta. No lepo, da nas gledate v zadnji letošnji oddaji. Uživajte!
Danes si bomo ogledali, kaj smo delali v letu 2012. V prvem videu bo 5 deklet govorilo o EVS izkušnji v Krškem.
Luxus Produkcija is NGO. It's an organization dealing with youth media. They work with young people, teach them how to make short films and animations that they can speak about the problems of young people, how they see the world and so on. Different parts of the project. One of them is youth media production, which is like youth TV magazine and all sorts of reports, short films that we make here.
Akcija!
Bog, kak ste? Danes bomo govorili
Okay, don't worry.
In the summer, for example, we had a lot of workshops, so we participate to the workshop as normal participant in a movie, or also as kind of mentor or support for the participants.
I don't know.
Yeah, but that each mentor can do it with each
Okay,
group.
then don't make it too long, don't go too much in details, but just that they have this general overview.
Oh, you need somebody there, like...
Later or Thursday morning, I mean, it's not, because it's 10 minutes shooting that.
Matthew will be the policeman, Anne will be the scientist.
Do you need a police uniform?
We are helping them. We start with the idea, and because they are totally beginners, so we have kind of big responsibility. I mean, responsible of the kids, but also for the equipment, and to try to make something understandable at the end.
Mm-hmm. We can do it there. There are some
Yes,
like
here.
games and...
Akcja!
Then Luxus Produkcija, which is the label of DZMP, is actually the production of critic documentaries about the society and so on.
We zoom on her. And we see the eyes. You see?
We said that we will see still what we will put, if something good we will make.
This man in the green t-shirt, he's our mentor. And this man is making our working life easier day by day.
And I have all the equipment I need to develop an idea that I choose with some external support from maybe either from other volunteers, either from some professionals that are friends from the organization.
Claire, maybe you can tell me, so is it here captured?
Everything is captured. Yeah, we need tomorrow morning early to shoot opening.
During the interview, just keep it all together. Maybe it's nice. If she's asking something, change a bit, close up or something.
But it's not like when you work in a factory or in a company.
Yeah, when we start some project and we are into, we don't
great.
care about working on Saturday, and we are very free. Like we can work on Saturday and after don't work one Tuesday that we want to do something else, and it's okay.
You have free time when you are in EVS.
Yeah,
you're not a slave.
No.
Another part is including vulnerable groups through media, exactly the Roma people with whom we work, with the kids and also with the adults, making movies, having several workshops with kids as well.
At least for me, the first experience with Roma. I never been in contact with Roma people or Roma culture. I mean, I was really virgin.
The smelly cars, the plastic stars, the fucking iPhones, the Wi-Fi printers, the wired weirdos, the musky ass floors.
Dobro. Yeah?
Seems so.
When we go to the settlement and we need to somehow work with kids, it's a bit complicated because you don't speak the language, but I think it's a nice challenge to pass through, because in that way you are forced to find all the possible ways to communicate.
Just the question of language is still a bit tricky because I still don't speak Slovenian.
Yeah, the language is the only thing, but at the end everybody speaks English, we can communicate with almost everybody, really.
Second recognition now.
Yes.
Mleka, del group, Moko.
Daj mi 20 dek salame s sirom.
I don't have this feeling like I'm not at home, I feel really at home.
Yeah, me too. I like Kersko. It's a small village. There is not so town. It's a village. It's a town.
I had very, very low expectations because when you go to check in internet images about Krško, you just see nuclear power plant and this upper view from Google Maps that you just see like small houses.
Yeah.
The project for me is great, and the place is about the people and about what you do. So it's not so important where you are, it's more important what you do, with whom you do.
The atmosphere in general is very friendly, very big family. It's why I think we are really lucky, and it's why I will never forget it, and I will always push people to go in EVS or whatever.
If you're a person who is interested in new media, in making video and in working with Roma and in organizing film festivals and being young and open-minded, you would choose DZMP.
Kot presenečenje imamo danes v studiu 3 gostje, igralke iz filma, ki ste ga pravkar videli. Ana, se slišimo?
Yes, we can hear you. So, dear fans, followers and spectators of Mladinska oddaja, today we are happy to welcome you in our studio with the special guests, the DZMP volunteers that have spent in Krško 1 year and are about to go home. Let's see which emotions and feelings they have after being a year here. So, Claire, you are about to go back to France to your friends and family. What is the most important thing you would like to tell them about Krško or about Slovenia?
About Slovenia in general, I will say that it's a country which is not so famous, but very nice and interesting to discover. And I will say that everybody in Slovenia is pretty nice, especially in Krško. And Krško, I will advise people to come for sweet shake maybe.
Coralie, how do you feel about the end of the project and what did this year bring to your life?
I'm sad to leave Krško, but I'm also in a way happy to meet again my friends in France. And I will keep a lot of beautiful memories with the girls here and in the DZMP and with all the projects that I made this year.
What about you, Daniela? You're not leaving yet. What are your expectations about the new year that is coming?
I'm looking forward to meet new volunteers that are arriving, and I hope to build a team as good as this one that we had that it is now leaving. So I hope that we will do interesting projects to show you here in Mladinska oddaja in 2013.
So we Mladinska oddaja are looking forward for the new projects and for new young authors and characters that will join us. And I would like the girls to say some sort of a final message to the young people of Krško. If you would say it in one sentence, what it would be?
The young people of Krško, I would like to say that you have the power in your hand
So use it and stay active.
I would like to say to young people of Kershko to enjoy the life here and take it easy and keep curious about what is around you.
So my message for you will be rise up, stay active and come to the streets. I want to see Kershko full of youngsters in 2013.
So that was it for our special edition. Now we go back from our studio to the streets of Kershko. Do you hear us?
Ana, hvala za intervju. V nadaljevanju pa poglejmo, kaj mladi počno v Krškem.
At least in music there is no rules. You can do whatever you want. If I want to play like... Actually, I was thinking that this will be a mistake, but actually it sounds good. It doesn't? So if I was respecting rules, I would go maybe, I don't know, rocker rules, I would play like this. But I, on purpose, did a mistake. Actually, it was a mistake, accident. Especially this time of the year, where the sun is here. I don't think I'm allowed to do that.
Why?
Because the air doesn't come in. I will ask my father. I'm not sure. This is he, and of course he got this for his birthday. He's the boss here. It looks nice, based on pictures. I look happy. I like these pictures very much from the musical point of view. This is actually the last concert of my first band. I bought the electric guitar before I even know how to play it. When we started the band, I was playing on a radio. I was connected to radio, so it was...
We were friends before, we went to the same school together.
We were really good friends and we've done amazing things together. We were really connected to music. The basic ingredients of our first room for practice was bad equipment, music,
Yes.
drinks, and
motorbikes.
And motorbikes, yes. But at that time we were straight rockers and metalheads, rejecting all kinds of other music, especially electronic. But today I'm different. I'm writing a diploma now, and I'm going to work in a local company in Krško, where I got a scholarship 2 years ago. So if the crisis will be mild, I will have to work there at least for 2 years. And after 3 years of working, you also have to do the professional exam, so I would like to be there at least till then. And then I can sell myself.
I hope it was all.
I don't want to be defined. I would like to mix different styles. I don't know, you put a folk instrument in some rock music and it becomes new. I think there are quite a lot music makers with good ideas, innovative and stuff. To create really something unique, this is difficult. I think you really have to be an artist or accident must happen. In Krško you can get a chance to create something, but at least in Podbočje there are few people that support you and also do something. If you see us, we are bringing the open-minded thinking in villages.
Maybe it's happening, it's evolving, but really slowly, especially here in this region, in Krško. If you just listen this music I listen to, it could be a problem.
Yeah, they definitely wouldn't accept my music.
Yeah,
I mean,
that's for sure.
They wouldn't forbid me to make such music, they wouldn't do that, but they don't accept it as something special, because here is very traditional way of living and culture and everything.
And yeah, accordion. Of course, there's nothing wrong with tradition, but with how to say, these closed minds of people.
I also have desire to travel around.
But how can you travel around the world if you're scared of aeroplanes?
Guilty! I want to have simple way of life. Of course I will go to job if I will have it. So 10 hours away. And what concerns my family, okay, basic things, but I don't need a boat. And what I need a guitar, I need a band, and this is it. I don't need much. Sounds very cliché, no?
Na zvezi pa imamo že Estefanijo, ki je ravnokar prišla nazaj v Barcelono iz Krškega. Estefanija, se slišimo?
Hola, hello Krško. Yeah, I'm back in Spain at home. The trip was okay. Safe trip. I already miss Krško a bit. And my last impression of Krško, the same as when I came, Twin Peaks. Totally Twin Peaks.
Leta 1990 so bili otroci ob vstopu v osnovno šolo sprejeti v Zvezo pionirjev. Poglejmo, kako si zadnje generacije spominjajo tistih časov.
Danes, ko postajam pionir, dajem častno pionirsko besedo, da se bom pridno učil in delal, spoštoval starše in učitelje, da bom zvest in iskren tovariš, ki drži svojo obljubo.
Dan, ko sem postal pionir, imam v bistvu ene take kratke momente spomina povezane s tem.
Po eni strani so to eni taki lepi spomini, ne? Po drugi strani je veliko stvari tukaj nerazjasnenih.
So nas pripravljali na to, nam razlagali pač na kak način to bo, zakaj je to za nas pomembno.
Učiteljica, vzgojiteljica nas je, tovarišica še takrat, nas je pripravljala izgovor, kako moramo pravilno izgovarjati. Največje težave so bile pri izgovorjavi Federativne socialistične republike Jugoslavije, česar sploh nismo vedeli, kaj to pomeni.
Spomnim pa se, da smo mogli imeti bele srajčke in mislim, da modro kiklico, in potem smo bili v šolski avli, kjer smo bili vsi enako oblečeni.
In pol smo bili veseli, ko smo rabili pionirčki, bila taka, ne.
Takrat se spomnim, da sem se mogel na pamet naučiti pionirsko prisego.
Sama zaprisega je potekala v glavni avli osnovne šole.
Prišli so potem učenci iz malo višjih razredov in so vsakmu zavezali rdečo rutico in mu dali na glavo modro kapico z rdečo zvezdico.
Danes finci bani mali, pionirji smo postali.
To so zelo lepe slikanice, mislim, didaktične in luštne in zabavne in super. Da moramo piti sadne sokove, pionirčki, alkoholni za otroke. Evo, zajčke za zdrave zobe, se pravi, da so lepo skrbeli za naše zdravje.
So nam dali take rdeče tabletke v usta, pa si mogel tako manjzati v ustah. In če nisi si jo prav zob, ti je pokazalo, kje si bil umazan, tako pred celim razredom, in pa si mogel pokazati, nisi umila zob, in pa si mogel iti umiti zobe.
Nič nimam. Nobene od teh stvari, ne rutice, ne titovke, ne nič.
Ne vem, zakaj imam dve. Mogoče smo dobili eno za rezervo.
Bolj mi je v bistvu ostala ena lepa ideja o tem.
Smo dobili občutek, da postanemo del te družbe kot nek iniciacijski obred.
V bistvu samo tega občutka, da smo bili nekako neka skupnost tovarištva in bratstva.
Bratstvo in enotnost, ja, to je pač bilo tista glavna, nekaj, kar so ti stalno ponavljali, ne.
Čutiti je bilo to enotnost. Zdaj, ko pomislim, se pravi, vse v tem trenutku, vse glih bi rekel, da je šlo za neke vrste pranja možgana, ker to je bilo na dnevni ravni, vedno se ponavljajo, vedno je bilo to za tovariša Tita, za tovariša Tita, za tovariša Tita.
Propaganda je bila sigurno, ne. Smo bili otroci, ne. V či fazi, se ne spomniš. Propaganda lahko deluje takrat tudi, da ne veš, da deluje.
Tako da ta ideja tega edinstva je mogoče na nek način lažna.
Ne, se pa glej, kaj se je zgodilo z Jugoslavijo, ne, bratstvo in enotnost, 10 let kasneje so se pa klali med sabo, ne.
V drugem razredu osnovne šole so nas učili Jugoslavija, moja širša domovina. In jaz sem to razumela kot pač širša, široka. Naslednje leto naj bi se poučili o Sloveniji, moji ožji domovini. In mi je bilo to tako v bistvu čudno, ne, kaj zdaj to pomeni. Slovenija pa taka čisto ozka nasproti Jugoslaviji. Potem pa je Jugoslavija razpadla in pa kar naenkrat ni bilo več te široke domovine in bila samo še naša ozka mala Slovenija.
Kar naenkrat niso bile več staršice, ampak so bile gospe učiteljice. Ne? In pol nam je bilo bolj kaj je.
Spomnim se sam trenutka, ko so Titovo sliko sneli pač iz učilnice.
Tita kot nekega idola je postal tiran in iz tirana je potem postal popkultura, ne?
Počasi je v bistvu bledelo vse to, vsa ta zadeva okrog pionirjev in Tita. Mislim, to so zadnje generacije, ki imajo še lahko neko jugonostalgijo. No.
Okusna in aromatična brezalkoholna pijača. In jupi, naravna oranžada z vitamini.
Dan danes je nekaj čudno, oziroma nenavadno je, ker obstaja ta jugonostalgija, ne, pri ljudeh, ki nikoli niso bili pionirji, ne. Samo nekako, ne vem, zgleda, da ta ideja je bila toliko prisotna pri starejših generacijah, ne, da se je nekako skozi popkulturo preoblikovala. Larija posluša, ne vem, jugo komade, te turbo folk in take scene, ne.
Jaz v bistvu se ne strinjam s temi, ki so jugonostalgiki, ne. Pač, ker se mi zdi, da nimajo prave kritične distance, živijo še vedno v nekih iluzijah.
Ni bilo to, da bi želeli priti nazaj, ampak samo, da bi se ustvarilo nek tak duh, ki je bil takrat prisoten, se pravi, da res, da ga srčno začutiš, se pravi, da bi to enotnost srčno začutil, ne pa samo, da bi jo mogel ubogati, ker je pač bila takrat politika taka in ta monopol, ki se je izvajal, oziroma ta diktatura, bi se lahko celo rekli, ne?
Ja, sigurno smo drugačna generacija.
Tako nekako težko za nas, se mi zdi, ne, ker smo bili vzgajani v nekem duhu, lih temu, ne, enotnost, altruizem, eden z drugim, si pomagati in v tem smislu. In potem smo iz te vzgoje, ki je bila še vedno v teh začetnih, ful pomembnih prisotna, smo padli v kapitalizem.
Ta solidarnost, ki je bila prej vrednota, je nekako ostala v nas. Ta svet pa nam 90 mi pa zahteval čez neke druge veščine, neke znanja, čez neke druge vrednote, ki pa jih kako vsaj jaz osebno nisem mogel koncipirati. Ta tekmovalnost, ta težnja za rezultati, ta neprestan boj za človeka, meni je bilo to čudno.
Definitivno tem mlajšim otrokom je kapitalizem uničil odprtost razmišljanja. Predvsem novni otroci, mislim novni. Naša generacija je katastrofa pri zastavi.
Mirka pionirka, mamica jo je budila. Vstani, vstani ti zaspanka, če to jutro bo zaspala, boš ostala cicibanka. Deklica zdaj noče spati, sonček je pomagal vstati. Šolo šla je naša Mirka in postala pionirka.
Mi dejansko takrat ta celotna zaprisega ni pomenila veliko, ker je bilo pač del vsakdanjega, vsi so postali pionirji. Premajhni smo bili v bistvu v tistem trenutku, da bi se zavedali, kaj dejansko ta zaprisega pomeni. Ampak mi je šele kakšne 2 ali 3 mesece nazaj en prijatelj prebral to pionirsko zaprisego in je v resnici fantastično, ker sem v bistvu šle vse kocine po koncu, tako je super.
Kar se tiče pa besedila, spomnim se sam tega dela, danes, ko postajam pionir, dajem častno pionirsko besedo.
To, da bom spoštoval svoje starše, da bom spoštoval svoje prijatelje, da bom spoštoval svojo domovino, da ne bom lagal, da ne bom kradel, da bom pomagal prijateljem v stiski, da bom pomagal starejšim ljudem, da bom zvest tovariš.
Spomin, neka nostalgija za nečem, ko smo jih začeli živeti, tako da je bilo vsaj kar se jaz spomnim, ali pa nek nov svet, ki ga nisem povsem razumel, ki je imel čez drugačne vrednote, kot smo nam vsaj presegali takrat pri pionirjih.
Ne v smislu tega, da bi bila to propaganda za sistem, ampak je bila to dejansko ideja za ljudstvo, kako naj živi boljše. Spravi, da si šel z neko dobro, pozitivno popotnico naprej v življenju.
Da smo bili še v to vzgojeni, da pač se drugemu pomaga in da se živi v skupnosti, kar danes mislim, da se ne dela več. No.
Rastejo trave in misli, raste in širi se dlan, rastemo z njo
spominih na preteklost pa poglejmo še optimistično prihodnost. Vse najboljše v letu 2013, se vidimo v prihodnjem letu!